Porcelain slabs. Where, when, and why to use them. Dear friends, porcelain slabs are large format tiles made from refined clay and minerals, fired at very high temperatures. This process makes them extremely dense, strong, and visually appealing. Because of their size and seamless look, porcelain slabs are becoming a popular choice in modern homes and commercial spaces. Where can you use porcelain slabs? They are highly versatile and can be used on floors, walls, countertops, kitchen backsplashes, bathroom walls, and even exterior facades. Porcelain slabs are also ideal for living rooms, hotel lobbies, malls, and offices where a premium, continuous surface is desired. When should you choose porcelain slabs? Porcelain slabs are best used when you want a clean, minimal look with fewer joints. They are perfect for high traffic areas, wet zones like bathrooms and kitchens, and places exposed to heat or sunlight. They are also a smart choice during renovations, as slabs can be installed over existing surfaces in many cases. Why should you use porcelain slabs? The biggest advantage is durability. Porcelain slabs are resistant to stains, scratches, moisture, and heat. They are easy to clean, hygienic, and require very little maintenance. Additionally, they come in designs that mimic marble, stone, concrete, and wood, offering luxury without the high upkeep. In conclusion, porcelain slabs combine strength, style, and practicality, making them an excellent long-term investment for modern construction and interior design. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.